this is a much requested vlog. So everything is still totally up in the air. We're still living in a completely unfurnished apartment, but we're excited to try and settle in a little bit more this weekend and take some time off admin stuff, but we will still be doing a lot of apartment stuff this weekend. It's weird, I'm now like not spending any money on clothes but all money on stuff for the apartment, which is still fun. So anyway, we are going for a quick walk down, this is Avenue Libertad, it's just near our apartment, and we're going to go for a quick drink. And we were going to eat in tonight because I am so sick of eating out and I'm feeling very bloated, but we still don't have a table and chairs, so we're just going to eat out. Fuck it. So yeah, I'll bring you along for the weekend. Tonight is going to be pretty low key, but I'm excited just to go for a nice walk. I can't believe it's the beginning of March and I'm not even cold. So yeah. You love yourself. Happy Saturday! Good morning. It is so late. We have been very lazy this morning and we're just about to go for a run. So our first run together in Lisbon. I'm very excited, and then we'll come back, get dressed and probably go for brunch. So it looks a little bit cloudy today, but yeah, we have also a few admin things. We're just gonna I've ordered a couch for, it's basically my dream couch. But it won't arrive until May, so we definitely need somewhere to sit before then. So we're just going to get like a really cheap one on Facebook Marketplace, I think. Seems pretty affordable and just something that will do us until then. Anyway, I'll bring you along today and let's see where our first weekend in Lisbon takes us. Mainly because Connor preferred it, and it is supposedly going to rain later, so yeah, we're going to go to brunch now, and I think we've decided on Cafe Janis, which is somewhere we've already been before and we really liked it, so I'll bring you along to that. And then we have some returns to do to H&M and a little bit of a browse and admin, so I'll bring you along. didn't really get up to much. We went for that lovely brunch and then went to a few shops and then just went home and watched some TV. Not a very exciting day because of the rain, but we are on our way to dinner now and I'm always excited about that. We're going to Janis, so I'll show you what we eat, what it's like. I've been before and I've always recommended it to people that are coming to Lisbon, so hopefully it doesn't disappoint and it's still good. But we are also, because of the weather, going to, because we have no couch still, we are going to go to the cinema. What are we seeing? How's Gucci or Belfast?
I think we're seeing the one about the really big Willie, so I want to get one.
I think we're going to see House of Gucci with really big willies, supposedly.
Okay.
But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Janis is a no-go because I don't remember you having to make a reservation. I actually clearly remember that you weren't able to make a reservation, but anyway, we couldn't get in, so we are now going to find somewhere else. Hopefully we'll get a table in Rua das Flores, another kind of tapasy place, so wish us luck. So Rua das Flores was no luck. I swear Lisbon is kicking our ass today, so we have decided to come to the pizza place that I really wanted to try. I just kind of wasn't in the mood for pizza, but I'm really excited about this, and we're next in line and they were super friendly. Honestly, Rua das Flores, sometimes the food is so good that I will put up with unfriendliness, but they're a little bit unfriendly, which is a bit annoying. But I am excited to try this pizza, so I will show you. Starter. So we are home from our pizza date and it was so good. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but if you do, you'll know that pizza is like my favorite thing, so I was quite worried that we wouldn't be able to find a pizza as good as, let's say, Paulie's or Base or Rita's in Dublin. They're my favourites, by the way, but it was quite unusual, the flavours, but I just like insanely good. So everything happens for a reason. We didn't get into the other places this week because we were meant to have that pizza. We were meant to go to the cinema and we're literally in a food coma, so we're going to go to the cinema tomorrow night instead. So yeah, tomorrow it's meant to be sunnier, so let's pray for a bit of sun so that we can enjoy kind of just walking around. But again, I feel like we're just kind of really finding our feet. So it might not have been the best weekend to vlog, but reality is that every time you try to vlog something, it just shows you nothing ever goes to plan and like nothing's perfect. And I think that's what people enjoy seeing, that nothing's perfect. So anyway, enough waffling. Good night, and I will see you tomorrow for some more strolling through Lisbon. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I have just got dressed to go for a run with Connor. It is blue skies and I'm so excited to get out there. We are going to have a pretty quiet day today. We've decided we have quite a lot of work to do, and so we'll be going to a cafe to do some work, but we'll squeeze in some chilling at cafes, eating pastries. So yeah, there's not a lot to bring you along with today, but I'll show you whatever we do, and yeah, I'll bring you along on the run, show you some of our views. So we ended up doing a 6-kilometer run, and I just run over to the little mini supermarket. It's so handy. It's literally, I would say, 20 meters from our house, to get bananas and some stuff that we're running low on. But it is just the most beautiful day. I'm so excited to get out there, and I'm kind of annoyed that we have to work. I'm annoyed that we didn't do it yesterday, but we were just so exhausted yesterday. Yeah, I think I'm still trying to process the move, and as usual, I'm like 100 steps ahead. Like, I want to be settled. Anyway, let's have a wonderful Sunday together. So we did our work, we tried and failed to buy a couch, and now we are out to take a tram, because in all of the times I've been to Lisbon, I have never taken a tram, which is just mental. So we're gonna go get a pastel de nata, because we still haven't got one, which is insane. So this is what I'm wearing, by the way. So yeah, we're gonna go on the tram all the way up to Bairro Alto and get a pastiche. Then we have to do more admin. And got some pillows, because the pillows that I had got from IKEA look like this. They were super tiny and the cushions were square, so we actually got some square pillows to actually fit into these, and then some proper pillows for underneath. So I'll show you what they look like after. So now here are these are very long. They're 50 by 90. So I hope that I can get pillowcases elsewhere other than H&M for them, but they're actually really good because they fill the entire king size bed. And then the square cushions just add a little bit of extra something. So yeah, I have created a very peaceful space for us to sleep. So we're gonna just chill. I'm gonna make us dinner. We are gonna probably be making our first, this is our first dinner we've made in the apartment. We arrived last Monday, and this is the first time I'm cooking dinner. Because we have to eat on the floor, so it's just not the nicest, but I'm just so sick of eating out, to be honest. So we're gonna do that, and because we didn't go to the cinema last night, we are gonna go tonight if we still have the energy. We're gonna go see Belfast. So yeah, that is the end of this weekend vlog. I will show you a few bits and maybe show you what we make for dinner. Get into my comfies, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and like I've already said, any requests you have, please do just put down below, and see you again soon, guys.